So we wanted to do a review of prime versus composite. We've got a great display that was built by students before, and we're going to use it today to remind ourselves what these words mean. Prime versus composite. We've got a special way to say prime. We say it like this. Prime. Everybody say prime, please. Prime. And then we say composite. We give it a little bit of Italiano in there. We're going to stretch it out. We're going to stretch out the longer O part. Composite. Everybody say composite. Composite. Right? It's more fun if you do this with your hand. I don't know why. Now, with prime numbers, they only have two factors, 1 and the number itself. There are two numbers that don't meet this criteria. I'm going to move over here for just a sec. Which two numbers don't have two factors? Any guesses? They're on this end.
1, 2, 3, 5.
1. 1 only has one factor, 1. And 0. 0 is kind of its own thing. So these two are neither prime nor composite. These two are neither. But now we're going to look and see if there are any other prime numbers. A prime number example is 11. These little squares tell you the multiplication facts for that number in a visual way. In order to create 11, it would be 1 by 11. So 11 is prime. There are several prime numbers that are less than 20. And we're going to look for them right now. Look and see where there's only one strip down. For example, 10 is not prime. It has factors of 1 and 10, as well as 2 and 5. So anytime a number has more than two factors, it's composite. Just like composite has 3 syllables. More than two factors, composite. Longer word, more factors. Okay, so we see a lot. We're going to go ahead and point to each, and you're going to tell me whether it's prime or composite, starting from the beginning. Ready? What are 0 and 1?
Neither.
Neither. Okay, 2?
Prime.
I need to hear you loudly.
Prime.
That is the only even number that is prime. All the other even numbers have 2 as a factor, so they can't be prime. So all the rest of the blue guys, not prime. So we're really now going to just be looking at the green guys. Okay, is everybody ready? 3.
Prime. Composite. Prime. Composite. Prime. Composite.
No, you like too good.
Composite.
Okay, you said prime for 9. Let's go back and look at it. 9 has 3 on the bottom and 3 going up. 3 squared, a square, just like you built with the activity you just did. 3 squared is 9. So 9 has 3 factors, 1, 3, and 9. Is it prime or composite? Please tell your neighbor. Okay, now say it out loud. Composite, correct. So that's how we know. Now, I would love for you to tell me where all the primes are going to go. I've got many of these little purple stickers, and I'd like some help on that side. Anybody that's willing to be on camera, you want to stick up the primes that you said? We said already, what were the primes? Over here, tell me again what we had as prime. 2, 3, 5, 7,
11.
and we got. So I need somebody to put on 2, 3, 5.
Too short.
Okay, Tiffany, come on up. So Tiffany's going to put up the 2, 3, 5s. Now, we've got 11. Please tell me, where are the next primes? So 2, 3, 5, go ahead and use those stickers, and you're going to stick it up just like that. Okay. Tell me, where else should I put a prime? Drop one. Okay, I'm going to cruise along. You tell me, stop when I need to. 12?
No. Stop.
13?
Stop.
14?
No.
15?
No.
16?
No.
17?
Stop.
18?
No.
19?
Stop.
20?
No.
21?
No.
22?
No.
23?
Stop.
You're sticking. 24?
No.
5?
No.
26?
No.
27?
No.
28?
No.
29?
Stop.
30? 31?
No. Stop.
Yes.
Stop.
Stop it.
And Are there any more?
No.
Nope. 32, 33, 34, 35 all have more than 2 factors. So if they have more than 2 factors, what are they called?
Composite.
Composite. Do it again with a little accent going on. Composite. Good. Or if it only has 2 factors, one in the number itself, what do we call that? How do we say it? Prime. Say it again, prime. Very good.